RehearsScore now features an option called Playthrough Mode, which can be accessed from the show card. Tap into the show title, and the playthrough option will appear in the bottom third. Tap the play button to begin playthrough. Every song will now play in sequential order from this point on. You can access this mode through any individual song card by tapping the three-dot icon in the upper right corner, and playthrough will appear as the first option. To exit playthrough at any time, tap the X button right above the waveforms at the bottom of the app. This won't pause the existing song that you're on, but it will prevent the next song from starting immediately after. You can also cancel playthrough by tapping the three-dot icon and choose Exit Playthrough.